Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hello my gingerbread and jelly bean, welcome to another episode of JVLOGS. I'm not 100% based on the last video that I sent you. I'm not 100% right now, but I'm here and I just want to make this video to share you guys about how I'm feeling and how I've dealt with stress over the years. It's not easy, stress is real, stress is dangerous. We all know this, we all feel it, every now and again whenever we're going through things. So how do I deal with stress? That is my main focus right now. I've come to understand myself. I'm self-aware to a certain extent, which helped me to understand who I am and what I stand for and what I can deal with and how much I can take. Every human being have their limits, and it's only a matter of time until we're triggered. We go around Facebook and we see people post that, oh, you're easily triggered and stuff like that. So it's a part of us as human beings. It's like it's an emotion, it's how we feel, when we're stressed out. So like back in 2010, I was really stressed out after my CXC exams. I started not to care about anything. I grew my hair, I lost weight, all that. I was stressed out about the result. And from that period, I started to analyze, what had happened and how I taken it and how I felt, and then I kind of learned from that, and I tried to not be stressed out like that anymore, to the point where I just give up on everything. And it is so funny, it is so easy for us to give up as human beings. It's so easy for us to say, hey, I quit, I'm done with this. In every aspect of life we have the choice to quit, and it is so easy, but it is so hard to succeed and push forward and be positive and be successful in society. It is so hard compared to just forgetting everything that you have been blessed with and that has been provided to you by friends and family, and just throw it away just like that. It's so easy to do that. It's so easy to be a croft per se, where you have no care in the world and you just have no responsibilities. You just do anything that you feel like you want to do. As I say again, it's very hard, it's not easy, but I try my best to uplift myself with the help of friends and family and encouragement that they give me, and showing me alternatives, showing me what I need to be grateful for, showing me that hey, they love me and they care about me. And I think that is very important whenever you're stressed out or in a situation where you feel like it is the end of the world for you. Just look to other people for motivation and strength. Look for them to be there for you, to support you, to show you that hey, I'm here for you and I need you around, regardless of your financial situation or whatever it is, they're there for you. So my advice is try to look to your friends and your family for help. Try to have that support around you. If you do have it, try to be self-motivated, from the inside out, pushing, believing in yourself, accepting who you are and understanding where you as a person are in this society and what you can do to help better yourself and also help others. So it's a crazy world, and things happen that we least expect, and it throws off sometime, get us out of the rhythm that we're in, and it really breaks us down. And nobody's perfect, but we have to push on every day, each and every day we have to push on and know that hey, this is just a phase in our life and it will get better. We will get better from this. So I just want to share that with you guys and let you guys know that I'll feel better and I'll continue to push on and keep myself to people and share stuff with you guys. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again to all the new subscribers. Thanks for supporting me. Thanks for watching my channel. I'll catch up with you guys again soon. So thanks again for watching JVLOGS. Plunkett, I'm out.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay.